Welcome you all on the behalf of Rahul Anand tutorial. So as you know that I am Rahul Anand and this is somewhat around my channel whose name is actually the Rahul Anand tutorial. So if you like the work with reference to the education as well as the lecture, so you could often subscribe, like as well as comment. Now, so let's talk about the year. So what are actually the year? So these are belonging from what of the semester of your book or either the lesson of your book. So these are belonging from the neural control and coordination case. So years are what? So these are actually playing important role to mechanize or give the auditory sensation. Often playing important role for what? Often playing important role to mechanize with the equilibrium case. So in terms with reference to your brain, you are often having certain parts. So what are actually these? So these are the hypothalamus, of course. So it plays important role to maintain the body temperature. Often for what? Often to maintain the equilibrium case. But when we are talking about the same case in terms of the ear organ actually. So we will be having as well as these roles will be played by what? So it will be played by the inner ear. So our inner ear is having the labyrinth. So it means the labyrinth playing important role to coordinate with the equilibrium case. So suppose that when we are consuming the amount of the alcohol or either the drug, so it literally frees down our nerves. Upon the hypothalamus, then what? Then this labyrinth is related with when the person will start to claim to see the sound, then hear the then hear the particular object. So this actually does not resemble. So you got the concept. So likewise the things happen when we are in the drug consumed level, it is. So labyrinth. So this is somewhat the case of the labyrinth. So these are project where, so these are actually being projected in terms of your inner surface of the ear. So the labyrinth is often being further divided into two broad categories. So these are what? So these are the bony labyrinth as well as what? As well as the membranous labyrinth. Now, so let's talk about the different components or either the dividation of the ear. So what are actually these? So these are the external ear, then what? Then the middle ear, then the inner ear. So external ear will be having what components? So it will be having the pinna, then what? Then the external auditory canal. With reference when we are talking with the second case, mean what? Then the middle ear. So we'll be having what things actually? So we'll be having the tympanic membrane as well as what? As well as the eustachian tube. Eustachian tube or either the eustachian canal. So you could often find here. So eustachian tube actually. As well as more parts. So what are actually these? So these are the malleus as well as the incus, then the stem. So what are actually these? Mean the malleus as well as the incus, then the stem. So these are the smallest bone with reference to our skeletal system. So you remember, I often taught in my previous lecture. So what are actually the skull as well as the torso with reference to the axial as well as the appendicular. Of course, so there you could understand that in terms of the skull, we will be having what of the types or either the number of bones will be actually 80 in number, and that on term of the 80 we will be having these means the malleus, incus and the stem. So we are often having the frontal bone, the parietal bone, temporal as well as the occipital, then the orbital. It is. But in this case of the ear, you will be having the three smallest bones, and what will be that? It will be the malleus, then the incus, then the stem. And these are actually belonging from what of the portion with reference to your ear. So these will be belonging from the middle ear case. Now proceed with reference to these in the third part. So we will be having what things? So in this case we will be having the round window, then what? Then the oval window, then what? Then here. Then the cochlea, then the semicircular window, or either the semicircular canal. With reference in terms of the third, in the external ear, you are having more parts, such as what? Such as the, I have just told you that the labyrinth case. So these are what? So these are the fluid purges, playing important role to coordinate with the stimuli of the balancing feature. So it is often been further divided into two broad categories. So what actually these? These are the bony labyrinth as well as the membranous labyrinth. Belonging from what? Belonging from the external ear. So here. So this is somewhat our characteristics in terms of the ear or rather the anatomy of ear. So I thought you have got the concept. So if you like the work with reference to the education, often the lectures as well as the videos, so you could often subscribe, like as well as comment with reference to what? With reference to the Rahul Anand tutorial. So maybe thank you.